This episode this week is really special. I hope I'm not blown out, but we're going to do this anyway. It's such a gorgeous day in Portland. Like, that's the Portland Welcome to Old Town sign right there. I just had to show you. Katie Tucker is a hero of mine whose work I've been following for over a decade. And the way that they use design thinking, the way they use research, and the way that they build cross functional teams, and even more importantly, they get really different groups of stakeholders to align and build innovative practice at some of the largest places that you might not assume are that innovative or quick moving or thinking and working in this sort of way with iterative design thinking, testing, learning, sharing back, and like improving products. But that's who we have on the show today. We've got Katie Tucker on the show, Global Customer Research and CX Insights Manager for GM. She works in the customer organization at the heart of research, data, AI, and using innovation to impact a customer's journey, help them along their way. They've got a team that does it at every stage of the customer journey. It's such a fascinating organization, and the story, I think, is going to really get your attention. Katie dives, right? Her whole thing is about how you blend qualitative and quantitative insights to really figure out how to make a difference in the customer's journey and in the purchase lifecycle for General Motors. This is influencing near-term decisions as well as long-term strategic planning and understanding of like who our customer is, what they need, and how we can support them with it. She shares this amazing research study where they took an EV on a cross-country road trip and really learned what drivers are looking for, and learned how different a high-stress, long trip can be compared to inner city driving when you're using an electronic vehicle. Katie shares the details of her long and winding career path, which is really quite impressive if you dive into the details of it, and shares how cross-functional collaboration, this idea that like the people that help build your next innovation will protect it and help you implement it when it is time to go with it. She talks about how she uses data to bring executives and other teams on board, and how AI is changing and automating and empowering her team in new ways. This is one of those episodes that proves you should absolutely talk with your heroes because they might just impress the socks off of you. I've had the honor to watch Katie Tucker's work for years, and I'm so glad that you have a chance to see it here on the Tech Glow Up. That's right, Katie Tucker, Global Customer Research and CX Insights Manager for General Motors on the Tech Glow Up.